Alright, ain't no intro. You know what it is. Alright, so the Mark III is down. It's not really down, but it's down. I'm gonna see if I can actually show you what the hell's going on. Yo, that other gasket that I put on just like, I don't know, a couple days ago has already melted itself and blown out. And it doesn't really it does, but it doesn't really affect the performance in a way. You know, it's just messing with like the air fuel ratios, which does kind of affect the performance. But this gasket right here, you see it's just melting away. You can see some of the residue on the backside. This shit is just spraying. So solution is, I mean, temporarily we'll copper spray this shit together and just, you know, just torque these shits down. That's just like a band-aid. The long-term solution, I'm just gonna take this over to Tim's. I know I keep saying I'm gonna pop up to Tim's in like every other video. You only see me over there maybe like once or twice anyway, but I'm just gonna have them weld this to that, you know, problem solved. So, like, I know I'm in CT now, right? But niggas is from New York, you know, born and raised. It's just like a simpler, slower, you know, healthier lifestyle out here. But I'm gonna show you, my headlight harness is not even plugged in. So I'm telling you, when I'm like out here on the road on these highways, like really like going at it, you know, it's still, I don't even bother to use turn signals. You know, I got the only thing that's in there that's actually like functioning is gonna be brake lights, because the car's so freaking small and fast. By the time I reach for like a blinker, I'm already in and out the lane. You know, it's really just New York shit. It's how we be. So today I'm about to go put this 2.0 T for the Jetta wagon. I was looking for this piece of shit. It's like one of the arms to put it on the engine stand. So we're about to tear this thing down completely today. A part of me wants to do the KO4, you know, and then just hit it with the Eurodyne. I know another part of me is just like, I kind of have like, I don't know, I got mixed feelings. Like, do I want to keep this shit? Do I not? Oh, it's a big B. Get out of here, B. That's that country Connecticut shit. Big ass fucking Jurassic Park. Fucking insects and shit. I ain't really like with that all the way. I ain't like my lock. It's top shelf, state of the art. All right, so next clip probably you're gonna see is, you know, this mounted to that and mounted to that. You know, here's some of the stuff I got for this block right now. I think I've only opened these boxes up maybe once or twice, so that's our timing stuff, it looks like. All right, what's in here? This looks like our gasket set. You know, rod bolts and shit, sealing. Because these 2.0 T's got all this fucking extra. Look, there's another one, your valve cover got to get put on, right? They got some special kind of like, it's supposed to be green. From what I know, factory is green shit, you know, but whatever's clever is probably over there in that box. And then all these coils gonna get taken out and swapped over for the R8 ones. I'm thinking about just doing the cheapo route with this, you know what I'm saying, and just getting the KO4 CHRA, which is really like sort of a bad idea. But it's kind of a bad idea. I probably just, if I'm gonna go cheap, just go get a full eBay like KO4, some nonsense. And even those cost a little bit of bread. But the real ones are like $1,000. It's like a band, you know? And that's like more than I got the car for. So a part of me is not even really with that. Like I said, niggas are still on the fence what they're gonna do with this thing. Right? Forget what the fuck is in here. I think it was something important. All right, so this is the timing locking stuff, so you can actually do the timing. All right, that's that. I believe this is valves. All right, so maybe this is the timing stuff. No, this is to put the valves in and out. All right, so we got a whole new set of valves for this car, this head. Are they even matched up? I don't even know, you know, but I'm gonna take this whole thing apart. We'll see what we working with. All right, so ain't no outro. I'm gonna have the next one up in like 2 seconds. I'm gonna try and drop like a video, like, I don't know, like every day or every other day. I'm trying to get that sub count up. I'm seeing other people getting paid. YouTube ain't paying this nigga. you know, but we gonna see if we can get in there, squeeze in there somehow. I have a newer clutch, you know, that I'm about to throw in this, and it's just a little bit more heavy duty than the one that's in there. That's all. It's probably made out of better material as well. You know, it's actually fully sprung instead of this stock nonsense. You know, but whatever's clever, we're gonna cross that bridge when we get there. All right, ain't no outro. We out. I'm gonna start cranking. All right, so I'm draining the oil. I'm about to get the lower timing cover off, and we got the top off. At first glance, it already looks like it's kind of out of time. I won't really be able to tell fully. Well, you can kind of tell. You can kind of tell right here. All right, so this one is supposed to be straight down. Next, let me help you out. So make this easier. All right. So it's got these like alignment timing things, right? So you can kind of get to the head bolts, right? See that little slot in there? All right, they're supposed to be perfectly parallel. And if you can kind of see, right, that one's on a little bit of an angle, like it's facing like maybe like this way. This one is straight down. So it looks like this cam right here is already at a time a little bit. I'm gonna pop the top off, and it'll give us a better understanding of what's going on. But it also feels like it barely has compression as well. Like I was just spinning this crank, and then, you know, like a little hissing sound. It just wasn't really building up and hissing as loud as I'm used to hearing. The turbo seems alright. Turbo seems okay. All right, but we're gonna finish tearing this bitch down. All right, this is all the time and stuff. I just showed you that before. Just gonna put it back together. Like, you know, fuck with timings off or on. I'm just gonna go redo everything anyway because I have all new shit. And we gonna go from there. I'm gonna show you the next cut. Ain't no outro. All right, all the timing stuff is off. Got the head bolts out. I just threw them on the floor. Fuck it. All the new ones over there. But I'm about to pop the head off. I'm gonna take a look at these valves, see how fucked they are. Hopefully they're not fucked, because I really don't want to put valves in. But if I have to, I will. You know, we gotta get the shit out of here. That's that. I'm gonna pop this shit off and see what it looks like next. All right, heads off. See what I'll show you what I found. All right, this one had OD carbon buildup on it. It was just really charred. I kind of cleaned it up with the I think all I use is just greaser. You know what I mean? This bullshit. And a non-abrasive, you know, like cup, so it doesn't, like, you know, fuck up the aluminum or whatever. But we just got all that bullshit off. We cleaned off the deck pretty much. I mean, as clean as it's about to get. But this cylinder and that one was pretty chewed. The evidence of it, I'll show you right over here. Bam. See, those two are kind of cooked. Now, all the exhausts, they're just fine. All the exhaust valves are just fine. The intake are not too happy. I don't know if you can see that, right? But you can see light coming from the other side. Look at that. Hello, Marco, Polo. Right over here too. Marco, Polo. All right. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to slap some valves in this bitch. All right. In the meantime, I just started cleaning up, you know, all the gobbledygook, you know, the sealant for the lower timing. I did the top, the deck already. I'm making a mess. I mean, it's a decent mess. It's a respectable mess here. I just cleaned this shit out somewhat, low key. So I'm about to run to the store, auto parts store. I got to get some lapping compound, and we're gonna yank all these exhaust valves out, put all new exhaust valves in. I really should change all of them, but a nigga want to be lazy and, like, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. I don't know. Knowing me, I might just do it just for the fuck of it, because I don't want another set of 20 valves that are just chilling for no fucking reason hanging around. So I might just do the entire head, which is going to be a full fucking day. I don't know if anyone's ever put valves in and out, but it's not some 1, 2, 3 process. You were there for hours, like getting them in, and then you got to do all the fucking seals and all that other, like, what is this? Yeah, these shits. I got some Super Tech ones from another build that I just never put in. But damn, son. That's what I'm about to be doing for the next fucking 2 days, man. I was really hoping it was just something simple, but it's not. On a good note, the block looked better. You know, looks a lot cleaner. Looks presentable, you know. I think I might give that transmission a once over, you know, wipe it down. And I don't know, you know what it is, You know, it's car shit. Like, they're made to break, especially this fucking 2.0T garbage. That's why I told you I hate them shits. I don't really hate them. I just don't think they're reliable for shit. 6 months later, we're going to be right back here. Six months later, we're going to be right back here. Right back here to do it all over again. Promise you. You know, especially the way niggas drive. Like, you drive. You know, the head gasket didn't look all that bad. I think it had like one little spot I was kind of concerned with. But overall, it wasn't all that bad.